Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching The Hungry Walk, and so today guys, we're gonna be cooking a famous Filipino dish. It's called pork adobo. And so today, I'll be showing you how to cook a perfect adobo. So let's start it by frying your potato with salt and black pepper for 8 minutes until potato becomes crispy. Then set it aside. Add garlic and onions. Then add the pork belly chopped along with the onions and the garlic. Parang nagluluto lang tayo guys ng samgyeopsal. Ganun! Actually, samgyeopsal talaga itong niluluto natin po. Then add the black pepper. Tapos halo-halo lang hanggang sa mag-mix ang mga flavor at saka yung mga ingredients sa pork. Pagkatapos, we add a little bit of salt. Haluin lang ulit. Fry lang natin for 8 minutes. Lagyan natin ng cover. Tapos, check natin from time to time para sure tayo na hindi siya sunog. Then, takpan natin ulit. Tapos, simmer lang natin again for 5 more minutes. So, pag medyo nagba-brown na siya at medyo nag-extract na yung kanyang fats, dagdagan na natin siya ng seasoning na granules and then soy sauce, patis, ay mali.
Ginagawa mo?
Magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas eh.
Sorry guys, mali pala ako. Vinegar pala yun at saka patis and soy sauce. Tao lang po.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
And to all my subscribers, thank you guys for watching my cooking, and sana po you can learn something from my cooking, which is huwag tularan ang mga maling-maling pagluluto. So, malapit na po tayong matapos. So, let's add more pepper to taste. Depende po sa inyo kung mahilig po kayo sa paminta. Ako po ay mahilig po talaga ako sa paminta. So, yan. Kaya, paminta pa more. So, after 5 minutes na, patutuyin na po natin to at saka pwede na to. So, ngayon, kunin na natin yung pinirito natin patatas, ilalagay na natin dito. Then, you just mixed it and this is now ready to serve. Masarap to guys, ihalo sa rice. It's a perfect combination. So, there you go guys, my perfect adobo. So, there you go guys, it's ready. So, please consider subscribing and watch out for my next videos. Till then, bye for now peeps! Kain-kain na! Eto na guys!